Paul Navrátil. I'm from the Texas Advanced Computing Center at the University of Texas at Austin, and I'm the director of visualization, and we do our own research into how to make visualization more accessible for researchers across the United States and across the world, and with our great collaborators here in Portugal. And we also provide remote systems and local systems for scientists to visualize their data and to perform analysis and have meetings in which to discuss the data and then to present their findings to the broader public to aid education and to grow the next generation of scientists. And then my team also maintains both our remote hardware and the local display systems so that all of this keeps working for the next generation as well. And today I'll be talking a bit about our high fidelity visualization capabilities with software-defined visualization, some work we've done in partnership with Intel that allows us to use the remote machines that do the simulations to do the analysis as well, and so that the scientists don't have to move their data and they can use the same high fidelity techniques that movies use in order to show their scientific results more effectively.